guys! Welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you a very interesting application named AnyDesk. We are currently in a very difficult situation due to pandemic, so our job is endangered. But with this application, everything is simpler. AnyDesk helps you work from home. Your PC from work must have the application installed, and then everything becomes very simple. AnyDesk will take over your PC interface from work, and you can use all the applications, folders, and all the databases assigned to your job. So let's install the miracle application. First you go on your browser and search for AnyDesk. Click on the first link, anydesk.com. And now click on free download for personal use. And they already install it. Click on it, run. Okay, so now you have to click on install AnyDesk on this computer. Click on accept and install. Yes. Now you can get started. Click on the application. Here you have to enter your ID from work, from your computer. And that's it. Okay, so now you can work from home with your interface from work. And good luck. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like and a comment. Bye bye.